Konnichiwa, watashi no YouTube channel oyuku. So hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome back. So for today's vlog, it's all about beauty. So magpapaganda muna tayo guys. And this is for both male and female. So don't worry males dahil you can apply this also. So I will share with you this DIY tomato facial scrub. So let's have first a brief description about this facial scrub. So guys, tomato has a strong antioxidant called lycopene that can reduce fine lines, wrinkles, and signs of aging. And sugar acts as the main scrubbing agent. So if it is combined with sugar, it can remove dead cells and rejuvenates new cells. Ganun. But before that guys, magsha-shoutout ulit ako dahil may nag-request. Ganun. So, I think nag-joke lang sila. So, pagbigyan natin sila guys. So, sa letrang R, Ceron's Danger. So, Ceronan. So, kaklase ko siya before nung college days. So, kabatch din kami at course mate, ganun. So, hello, Ronan. Welcome to my YouTube channel. At si Paul. Hello, Paul. At si Jonald Livado. So, siya naman yung kapareha kami ng lugar. So, siya po ay tumulong po siya mag-promote ng aking channel, ganun. So, hindi ko siya inutusan, guys. Nagkusang loob lang siya, ganun. Ang bait-bait niya. So, thank you so much, Jonald. And, sa letrang R, Ryan. Hello, Sir Ryan. Welcome to our YouTube channel also. Bitaw, guys. Si Sir Ryan, single siya. Siya po ay engineer na nag-work ngayon sa Davao. So, if interesado kayo, just comment below. Sa letrang L, Lina Pil Chavez, ganun. So, siya po ay dormmate ko, roommate, kabatchmate ko, pero iba lang kami ng course, ganun. So, hello! Welcome to YouTube channel. Si Sir Dante po, siya po ay ka-hometown ko rin po siya. Nasa Manila siya, ganun. Hello, kuya! At last but not the least, si Bernadette Reyes. So, siya po ay kaklase ko nung high school. Ganun. So, hello Bernadette. Welcome to my YouTube channel also. And I hope mag-enjoy ka sa video ito dahil isa naman to sa mga request mo. Pampaganda. Ganun. So, just watch and enjoy. Ganun.
So, are you guys ready? Let's start. Let's have 1 medium size of tomato, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and just cut the tomato into 2. Get your tomato top and dip it in the sugar. Twist it around in the sugar to get an even coating. Start on the forehead and gently scrub in a small circular motion. Move down to around the outer eye area, avoiding eyelids and the under eye area. And move over the face. Nose, mouth, chin, and neck.
So, pwede mo siyang ibabad kahit 5 minutes lang. So, it's 5 to 10 minutes. Then, after, babanlawan mo siya ng warm water. Then, the last part is your favorite moisturizer. Lamig siya, guys. Alright, guys. So, tapos na akong maghilamos. So, ipapat dry lang natin. Huwag tayong masyadong harsh. Ganun. Then, after, i-apply natin yung moisturizer natin. So, my moisturizer is Nivea. So, ito po yung last. Dahan-dahan, ganun pa rin, in circular motion. Charot. Huwag tayong masyadong harsh kasi naman so ito yung last part natin. So, diba, it's very affordable. Hindi natin kailangan gumastos ng thousands kasi meron naman tayong sa kitchen, diba? Tomato and sugar. So, ganun. So, as you can see, guys, the result is very amazing. See? May pimples na siya. Sorry. Hindi, may pimples na talaga ako dito. Ano talaga siya, no? Soft. Naging soft siya yung face ko. Smooth. Sing. Hindi, maganda talaga yung tomato. Ganun. So, dito po nagtatapos ang ating tomato facial scrub. Thank you so much to all my subscribers. So, meron na po akong 400 plus. Yay! Malapit na siya. Positive. Thank you so much, guys. And sa mga bago dyan, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. At sana po nagustuhan nyo itong video na to. And see you on my next video. Sana hindi po kayo magsawa. Ganun.